Myself Muhammad Shahid Zaheen. Today we will study electrochemistry. This is taught in 11th class. So our topic is about electrochemistry. From the word we know electro and chemistry. Electro means electricity. And electricity we normally know, which means bulk. Chemistry is the word chemistry, magic or the art known by philosophers. In Pashto we call it kimia. No, the noun is essentially the verb kimia or electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the study of electrical energy and chemical energy. The study between electrical energy, the conducting of electricity through chemical changes or chemical elements. The product given to us by chemicals is called electrochemistry. Some chemical reactions produce electricity, or electricity causes the reactions takes place. For example, our normal nowadays light batteries, the laptop battery, car battery, mobile battery, these are all electrochemical batteries. They produce electricity through chemicals. Lithiums are used, H2SO4, sulfuric acid is used, HCl is used, and etc. Some chemical reactions produce electricity or electricity causes the reactions takes place. In 1771, Luigi Galvani, Italian anatomist, discovered new form of electricity. It was on a frog, living tissue that's targeted by frog. His first experiment of electricity was on frog, Chungasha. But after some time in 18th or in 19th century, we can say Italian physicist Alessandro Volta built a battery. If you might have listened or you might have seen 12 volts, 24 volts, 240 volts, 60 volts, 70 volts, 40 volts. These are all, the founder is Alessandro Volta, who discovered battery. So now we will study about, or today we will study about this electrochemistry in further or in more information or introduction. Electrochemistry, we have studied that it's the formation of chemical reactions, or the electricity is produced by chemical reaction. So for that, in chemical reaction, two reactions or two states are very important. The first one is oxidation. Here the definition is also written, the loss of electrons. The second one is reduction, the gain of electron. If chemical reaction takes place, one atom or one compound or one element should give an electron, the other element should take an electron, so they can form a new element, a new compound or a new something by the name of energy. So if oxidation and reduction takes place, we can have energy or we can have a chemical reaction. From that reaction we can have our chemistry or chemical electricity. Electron transfer reaction are called oxidation, reduction, or redox reaction. Red stands for reduction and ox stands for oxidation reaction. This is a huge topic. On our first lesson we will study about oxidation. In our second lesson we will study about reduction. Let's summarize these all on a whiteboard. So we are talking about oxidation. Oxidation has some rules by which we can determine that the following element is oxidized or reduced. Oxidation, we generally call it takhammuz.
One is tahammuz, one is irja. In Pashto, we call this. The rule of oxidation is it will have increase in oxidation number, or it will have loss of electrons, or it will gain oxygen, or it will lose hydrogen. If the following some rules were seen in a chemical reaction, we can understand that the following elements or the following compounds are oxidized. Let me clean this and come to an example. For example, sodium plus chlorine gives us sodium chloride. Everybody knows that is table salt. Table salt or the normal salt that we use. Now in this state, sodium has 0 charge, chlorine has 0 charge. When they react with each other, sodium will give 1 charge, chlorine will take 1 charge. So the compounds become sodium plus 1, chlorine minus 1. Let me write it clean. Plus 1 and minus 1. So now we will see the charge of sodium or the oxidation number of sodium. In first step it was 0. In product we have seen that it became plus 1. We have studied increase in oxidation number. The charge has gone from 0 to plus 1. So it means sodium is oxidized. Loss of electron. If we come to the electron configuration of sodium, sodium atomic number 11. In first energy level there will be 2 electrons, in second there will be 8, in third there will be 1. When sodium combines with chlorine, sodium will share this 1 electron to the chlorine. Sodium will share or will give. When sodium gives its 1 electron, he faces loss of electron. It means sodium has lost 1 electron to chlorine. So we call the sodium oxidized. Now definitely there is no gain of oxygen, there is no loss of hydrogen, but if increase in oxidation number occurs, or loss of electron occurs, or there might be none of these, but oxygen is removed, or oxygen is gained, or hydrogen is lost, so we can also call them oxidation reaction.